Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. And how are you?
I'm doing well, then. I'm very well. Thank you so much for asking. What about you?
I'm also hunky dory. And thank you so much for asking me. So please tell about yourself.
Yes, sure, sir. I'm Vaibhav Dwivedi. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, UP. My district is Barabanki, that is very close to Lucknow. And talking about my academic credentials, so I have done MCOM in 2020 from our University, Hyderabad. And this time I'm working in a hostel as a hostel warden. My hobbies are my hobbies are singing, playing harmonium, talking to people. That's all about me. Thanks. I
Oh,
would like to know
are,
something about you as well.
okay. Are you got
No, no, no. Not
okay?
government hostel. It's private
Oh.
hostel. This
So, as you know, my name is Nishi Sani, and I have completed MA and also B.Ed. Now I'm looking for a job. So this time there is a one agenda only that I want to be a brush up this skill. So that's why I'm learning this language. I want to be a I want to be a fluent person. So that's the reason I'm learning this language, and I am a teacher also. So this is a big deal for me that I will able to I will able to talk with people with enthusiastic and
right,
with
right.
zeal
Confident.
also. Yeah.
Right, right. Actually, we all want to learn this language. That is why we are doing these kind of activities, talking with people through video call, through audio call, and reading books. We are doing so many things. And motive behind doing this thing is only to become a good communicator, to become a good fluent English speaker. This is the only motive. And
Yes.
after that, yeah, and after that, we have a lot of things to do. There are a lot of advantages. Yeah,
Yeah.
we can leverage that. Mm.
Yeah, today I was also thinking, and also not today. I always use think, and that if we make a command on this language and this skill, so that means there is a so many means we get so many chances in each
Right.
field because it's a global language now. It has become global language, and there is a so much demand in every fields. So that's the reason. So if we get opportunity and we command on this language, so that definitely we can crack anything and we can do such a more thing. We have so much knowledge and we have so much experience. So there is no experience if we have not command on these skills. So
Right.
we that means people they think that I think she and he has not knowledge because he is not able to speak and he is not able to communicate to people, person to person.
Right. We can say, simply, we can say it is a educational tag. It is an educational tag. If you have a good command of your English, it means you are an educated person. Otherwise, you are not. Doesn't matter how many degrees you have.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the
And
difference.
yeah, like uh, and I think it's not a good good sign also
Right.
thinking that people always think that you are good communicator, that means you have so much skills and you are so genius person. So that's not a good, because
Right.
we are Indian, and if
Mm.
we laugh to person to
Mhm.
person, that means we are laughing to ourselves.
Right. Yes, it is not our mother tongue. And talking about importance of English, yeah, there are so many advantages and the importance of English. But if you don't know English, it doesn't mean that you don't know anything. You know so many things. This is only a skill like other skills.
Yeah.
This is communication skills. Because there are some people, they are very good in their mother tongue. Means our mother tongue is Hindi, so we are good in that, and we can communicate. But especially talking about the communication skills, so communication means doesn't mean that you are good at your language. At least you will have ability to speak about anything, and how much you can speak and think about any specific thing. anything. If you are asked about anything and you are unable to give answers in your mother tongue, it means you are not a good communicator. So you are not a good communicator, but still you are a good speaker. Means you have it doesn't mean that you don't have the knowledge of your own mother tongue. You have. So in communication skills, we learn two things. Uh, Non-verbal skills, verbal skills, means there are so many things, making eye contact, moving little bit, not too much. There are so many things we include
Yes,
in that.
sir.
Yeah, if you are asking me anything and I'm able to give you answer, that if I don't know at all about that question, but still if I'm able to manage that question and I'm able to make excuse that I don't know about this particular question, so it will not give a very bad impression towards other person who is asking you this question, who will think, yes, this person is genuine. But there are some people, if they will be asked by the people, what they will do, they will be totally stuck. We are, yeah, I'm also one of them. If I'm asked about anything and I don't know, so I will stall. I will feel, oh my God, I'm not getting anything what to say. At least we should say something that I don't know, because we are people, we are learning. There are some situations where we are not interacting, we are not encountering anything, so we won't be able to know about that. So we can simply say that I don't know. But people are so much anxious and afraid of saying, making excuse that I don't know. They want to know everything.
Yes. And yeah, so I want to ask one thing, that then we will go with another thing. So what is communication? If I ask you, what is communication?
Yes, ma'am. Communication is a two-way process. Communication, it doesn't mean that if you ask me a question, though my answer was a little long and I have added so many things, it was not a sign of a good communication. Communication means uh, other person is asking you something, so you are giving answer, and you are also asking question to other person, and you are giving chance other person to speak, and you are knowing the ideology of other person, and you are impressive person, sorry, expressive person. You are expressing your thoughts in a good manner, not using improper posture, not using unnecessary things, only point to point. That is I think, according to me, that is a communication. Hmm.
That that's good. That's good. Yes, like if I say in a simple word that we can communicate to person, and we can message, we can send a message to person, that and the person is able to understand that what
Hmm.
is message. Like this
Hmm.
time I'm talking with you. If
Hmm.
I'm not able to understand English, means this skills and this communication. So how can what do you do in that? How can I communicate and how can I understand these things, that what do you
Right.
want to say, and I
Hmm.
what do I want to say? Like in if I go in south, so south, in south area, that they know Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, so these are the language. But if we go there, so definitely we will face the problem, because they do not know Hindi. But if we
Hmm.
go if we talk, if we start talking with them in English, so
Hmm.
definitely they start talking and they know. So these are the things that it's a communication part, that person to person they can understand. And it can be, it's not only one skills, that English, it can be Spanish, it can be America. So there is a language only. And
Right.
we I don't know why we are thinking that. So these are the barriers. If I say these are the barriers, if they are unable to understand, that means they, lots of things, means a lot of things, uh, lots of things are going in this language. And
Hmm.
like people are facing, if we talk about if we talk to people that where are you facing the problems in tracking the interview, so they always same thing, that we are unable to talk. and communicate in English. So that's the reason we are facing the problem. It's, I think, we should be take two things. We should be start two things, right? The person, because we come from Hindi medium and our environment was not English medium. This was not the environment was not good. So that's the reason our mother tongue, we are speaking in mother tongue. If you ask anything, so we will confident and we will answer in a very good manners, because of the we are habituated this language.
Hmm.
And since childhood we didn't listen and we didn't practice with people, so that's the reason we are lacking and we are doing same mistakes.
Right.
I think people and also those who are interviewed, they also think about that, and should we respect our mother tongue? Means our language is means our
Definitely.
Hindi is it's not a national language. Hindi is not a national language, but it's a mother tongue. Mother tongue, it can be any language, but we
Mhm.
should be respect in this area we are living. And it's an extra curriculum activity, it will come. Like if I talk about this language, English language, yeah, Malayalam, yeah, any other language, so it's a extra curriculum activity we are know. And
Right.
it's a benefit for but the scenario has changed. And if we think about that, students, we start to talking with students, and especially god private schools, they do not know Hindi. If we say that you will have to write this one, and they will speak breaking the things that they are unable to understand, and they are unable to write down things. Yeah, we should be command both things, and we have to take actually I forgot the word. Sorry.
No worries. Even sometimes I forget the idea that what I am going to deliver. Sometimes I forget. It happens. We all are human beings. It happens with us. No problem, ma'am. And if we say in simple words that what is communication, so actually in simple words, simple sentence, communication is making other person understand and understand what the other person is saying. This is the only thing in the simple language. Then we can add so many things. We can give it as a flavor, as impressive and expressive we can become. It is going to give us more benefit. People will praise us. So, ma'am, okay, so that's all about it. So, please tell me something about the weather. Which kind of weather is there in your area where you are?
Yeah, in morning, so it is started rain, but now the wind is blowing.
Yeah, because why I'm asking you this question, because this time it is raining here.
Okay, but
Yeah.
now it's not raining here, and yeah, wind is blowing.
Mhm. Yeah, wind is blowing, and when we go outside, we feel like, yeah, now we need to wear sweaters or jacket. And what I have done, I have accumulated, I have gathered all the jackets and those kind of stuff which we use in winter season, and I kept in my home, and my home is 65 kilometer far from here. I have only this. I have two, yeah. I have two sweatshirts. It is very thin, not very thick. So sometimes I feel wind is blowing if I'll go outside. So what will happen? I will be shivering.
Yeah, no, when Holi does not come, so you will face the same problem that you will kept sweater and then you will took out.
Yes, it happens. Why I'm unable, because today, and I think it happened today or yesterday. Today, and today we are feeling like this weather has entirely changed.
Yeah.
Entirely changed. Now we are shivering when we are going outside. Actually, I'm hostel warden, so I had to some items, some things from grocery shop. So I had to go there. Then I waited. I have waited for some time for the
Okay.
winter, when, yeah, because it was so cloudy and drizzling. So I thought after that I will go there. Then I went there and I am here. Now, if I have to go outside, so here, this is the window very close to me. So here, from here, I can see all the scenario. So it is raining here. If I have to go, then
Before,
I will definitely face problems.
before your calling, I was taking interest and I was enjoying the weather because wind
Mhm.
is blowing and so
Mhm.
many means gamlas. It's putting on the balcony.
Mhm.
So,
Wow.
gamla, do you know the meaning of gamla?
Gamla, ma'am, this time I'm confused. I know.
Means flowers is kept, flowers kept
I
in.
know, Gamla, I know very well Gamla, but this time I'm unable to think about that.
Okay, 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 okay.
I'm not.
So I one day I was watching one video that you were telling that you work 24 hours. So is it
Yes, ma'am.
right?
But
So
I.
when yes,
Hmm. Okay, okay, go ahead. Then I will tell you.
so when do you sleep?
Now my time has come. Now I can tell you, ma'am. I have ample amount of time. My duty is here only to take care of this hostel and arrange all the things which is required.
Okay.
Otherwise, I have lot of time. I sleep 7 hours at least.
Uh,
Okay. And I talk with people every day, 2 and 3 hours, and I watch a lot of videos. I have lot of time. Even when I'm in my home, there I'm not this much free, as much I'm here free. So I feel this is the perfect place to practice something, to acquire something. Then after that, I need to move somewhere. Yeah, that is the matter.
okay. So how
And
long time you are learning this language?
I have been learning this language. It's been a year.
Sorry.
I have been learning this language. I think it's been more than a year.
Okay, 1 year.
More than a
Okay.
year, yeah. And in between, I took 3 to 4 or approx 5 months gap
Okay.
because I was working somewhere there. I used to work 12 hours. That is why.
Okay. So what is your strategy you are following till now? That how can you brush up your this skill and now you are able to speak fluent. So what is your strategy?
Ma'am, I don't consider myself as a fluent speaker. I feel that I'm studying a lot and I need a lot of improvement. But talking about the strategy, ma'am,